What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. We are still working on this E92 right over here for the wide body and getting it ready for the wrap. Just want to give you guys an update on how things are going. Hopefully everyone's still staying safe during all this craziness, but we are still at the shop trying to do some work and trying to get stuff content out for you guys. So we have an E92, a 2010 BMW 335i, and we're doing a wide body kit on this with the crazy wrap. So we cut up everything, got everything ready. And the beauty of this car is actually turboed as well, turboed inline six, so that's the beauty. But got everything ready, all the pieces that we got all painted up, ready to go for the wrap, and is all paint matched to this car. So everything is pretty amazing, everything's ready to go. Now for today's plan is getting this car clayed and ready for wrap. Do the seam sealers, need to go back and clean that up. Since we got the M side skirts as well, or M fenders, we had to do the M windshield washer fluid and all that stuff, so we're not going to be using that bumper anymore. So I'm sure he's going to be selling a majority of all this stuff. The hood's going to get replaced as well. And yeah, so this is of course, the nice turbo. This car sounds amazing. And yeah, basically today's plan is getting the door handles and the mirrors off, getting the antenna and the sunroof pillar removed, and getting this clayed and ready for the wrap. So since it's pretty hot outside right now, I'm just going to be using this portable water sprayer. Going to be using a spray on the car and claying it so that way it's getting rid of all the contaminants. And then later today I'm just going to be pulling it out and washing it outside. So that way all the dirt's fully off and ready to go. That way I can use the AC inside. Alright guys, so everything's been cleaned, everything's been removed. Mirrors, door handles, side skirts, tail lights, rear bumper, everything's been removed and ready to go. So we're gonna go pick up the wrap and be back shortly. What up, boys? We just got to wrapping, or I got to all this wrapping. My boy Jay's right behind you, holding the camera. Hi! Basically, the color that we're doing to this car is gloss cloudy blue. It looks pretty good, I'll be honest. It does look like a girly color, but it looks pretty good. It looks like a BMW's racing color car. Like, it looks really good. I like this. This is like a new color that Avery just released, so I'm excited to try it out. And the customer's actually really excited for this color as well. We were gonna do the psychedelic, but since that sold out, we went with this route. This is a badass color, and with the gloss black accents, with the badass wheels we're gonna get, it's gonna look good. What do you guys think?
Well, what are your initial thoughts about this new color that Avery released?
It's good. I like it. It's different, and it's like it looks like a factory color, which is the beauty of it. It's like, so we paint matched the wide body and all the other pieces to go with this, with the OEM color, and it turned out amazing. This was a crazy piece, all this, but hey, we're doing it right. We're making sure the customer's happy. Just guys to give you an update, so far we got this side's quarter panel done and the door done, and looks absolutely amazing. We did that in gloss black. The reason why it gives it a little bit more depth with this color and a little bit more pop, especially once we have the door handle on, it'll give it a little shadow effect, which would be really cool. We got this side done as well, and it's a nice color. I really like this. It turned out really well. Got both these two sides done. Tomorrow's plan, I'm shooting for the roof, side skirts, and the hood. So that's what I'm trying to get done, and then that way I can start working on the over fenders and the bumper. Alright boys, so today is the last day we're going to be having this lift in this shop. Again, I haven't said anything about it yet, and I will in the future videos, but it's the last time we're going to be having this little baby here. But more and better is to come in the future. Just to give you guys an update, we got the entire interior, trunk and everything resprayed, and it's just absolutely amazing. It's way better than the original Nasty Silver, nice and perfect gray, to complement everything else. And once we get all the interior pieces in, that are powder coated fire orange. It's gonna look spectacular. This is a 2010 E92 a 335i. Car came out absolutely amazing. Like, even we did our own RTV gasket, just like Nakai-san, like how you see on an RWB. Again, some of the stuff is aftermarket fenders, aftermarket bumper, aftermarket side skirt, stuff like that. So fitment is a little bit of a struggle on some of the pieces because the kit was also warped a little bit. So we had to make best of what we could do. So, but it turned out pretty good. Honestly, like, it just even fixed the rear diffuser for him. He's got a carbon trunk coming in. That's why we didn't wrap the trunk, because it has a big old dent in it too, right there. So you don't want to do that, but you just need some bigger wheels now. So car came out absolutely great. Just gonna let it sit in the sun for a little bit, and then he should be coming later to pick it up. That's basically it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Smash the subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys next video. See you guys.